Okay, we're going to continue with Athena with her sister Faith. Faith is asking questions. Faith is 11. And like I said, Athena's 15 going on 16. And we're going to let our teacher get started with the first question.
What is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction?
Asexual reproduction is when a parent makes an exact copy of itself. In sexual reproduction, you need two parents, and their offspring has a mix of their traits.
Explain what
Can you show it to me? Dominant and recessive.
explain what dominant and recessive are.
Dominant allies are what shows the appearance of the trait, while recessive allies are hidden, and you need two to show a recessive ally.
What is heredity?
Heredity is the passing of traits from parent to offspring in sexual reproduction.
What are chromosomes and what are they responsible for?
Chromosomes are rod-shaped like molecules that are responsible for the passing of genes from parent to offspring.
Name the four bases.
Iodine, guanine, thymine, pseudocin.
What is RNA?
Ribonucleic acid.
What is DNA?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
The order of bases from a what?
A genetic code for the synthesis of a particular protein.
What is
Protein synthesis.
What is protein synthesis?
Protein synthesis is the formation of genes in the cell's nucleus.
What are codon and
Amino acids.
what are codon and amino acids?
Codon are what make amino acids, and amino acids are protein building blocks.
An infection is what?
An invasion of germs in the body.
Name the first definitions against germs.
Skin, nose, stomach, tears.
What keeps you from getting sick?
Your immune system.
What are drugs?
Drugs are substances that affect the structure of the body.
What is drug abuse?
Drug abuse is the non-medical use of the drug to which withdrawal symptoms occur.
What is habituation?
Habituation is when you still use a drug even though you have no withdrawal symptoms, you still have to do it.
What is addiction?
Addiction is a severe form of dependence that causes physical changes in the body when the drug wears off or stopped. Withdrawal symptoms occur.
What nutrients do you need for good health?
Fats, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, water.
What are nutrients?
Nutrients are what your cells need to grow, to heal, and for their energy.
What is immunization and antibodies?
Immunization is protection against a specific bacteria, and antibodies are drugs that fight bacteria.
What are the most common germs?
Bacteria and viruses.
What is Charles Darwin's theory?
The theory of evolution.
What is natural selection?
Natural selection is when an individual is better adapted to its environment.
What are the functions of natural selection?
The factors of natural selection are 1. Organisms produce far more offspring than can survive. 2. These offspring will fight for the scarce resources in their environment. 3. Many of these offspring have variations or traits that better help them survive. 4. Many of these with variations are more likely to survive and reproduce. 5. Over many generations, these organisms will change and evolve.
What is an ecosystem?
A diverse community of organisms.
What are the producers?
The sun and plants.
What are the consumers?
The consumers are what eat the plants, and those who eat the plants.
What are decomposers?
Decomposers are organisms that break down waste such as dead bodies and scat.
What is a food web?
A food web is a complex pattern in an ecosystem.
What circles goes through the living and the non-living and back again?
The water, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon.
Okay, we just finished, and that was Faith Barnes. She gave the exam and she took the test. So, Faith, how did she do? Did she get it?
Got all of the questions correct.
Yay, Miss Tina! And then we have barking Annie Mae over here wants to get out. So we're going to say bye.